Hi guys, I'm John from John Mood. Welcome here in my home studio because in real life I'm a DJ and producer. So first I would like to tell you my apologies for my English because I'm French and I'm better to write in English than to talk. And I want to thank all the new subscribers. And if you don't, you can by just clicking this little icon. And now I'm gonna show you how I make this hyperlapse with the Litchi application. But first I want to tell you some things about it. So if you are using Litchi like me with Crystal Sky, with your Mavic Air, a Phantom 4 Pro Plus, it's gonna be different I think than using with your iPhone. Because every time you're gonna turn on your controller, you're gonna have this message. So always choose to use Litchi just once or DJI Go for app just once. And if you want to switch between the two applications, don't forget to turn off everything, then turn it on and do this process again. So don't forget to check your settings. The first time I opened Litchi, the settings was the same as the DJI Go 4 app. I think it's synchronized automatically, but in case, check everything. So if you plan your mission, like I will show you with the website, don't forget to check the place when you're going to the location. Check everything around you. If there is some new buildings or some new electric lines or some new trees, because if it's the case, you can have a crash. So now I'm gonna show you with an example. I'm making a new hyperlapse just for this tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how I make it from the website, and then I'm gonna go out and show you in real situation. So let's jump into it. First you need to go to this website, flylychi.com/hub, and then you need to create your account by clicking here. You can log in with Facebook or with your email address. And then go to settings. Here you can choose your drone, your units, your heading mode, finish action, pass mode, cruising speed, if you're on the same speed during all your missions. Here it's max flight speed, so you can choose the maximum flight speed of your drone when you have control of it. Default curve size, keep it like this. Here you have default gimbal pitch mode. Always choose focus point of interest. So now you can start new mission. First, I'm gonna make the point of interest by the right click. So here I have my point of interest. I'm gonna set it here. I'm gonna choose 25 meters. I choose 25 meters because I want to see the lake in the background. Now I can add my first waypoint here. So I'm gonna put it at 2 meters, another one here, and then another one here. Make a turn, maybe like this. Okay, so I set my first one to 2 meters. I click here above the ground. Because if you don't click to set above the ground, it's gonna set it from the home point. Now the second one, I'm gonna put it at like 5 meters. And as you see, I have the first curve here, and you can adjust it to make it more smooth. This one I'm gonna set to 20 meters. This one 25, and the last one 50. So now on the third one, I'm gonna adjust a little bit the curve on this one too. Because you see, if I make it like this, it's not gonna be really smooth. So I think we're done. We're just checking this one. I'm gonna put the speed like 4.6, and it say it's around 20 minutes flight, but in reality it's not gonna be long as this, because you have some curves and the website calculate the flight without the curve, and when you have some curves it's gonna be no longer than this. So okay, now everything looks good. You can save your mission. So you can go to mission, save, put the name and save it. When your mission is saved, you can go here, mission, open, and you will see it. And you can make it private. That way you're going to be the only one to see it on the website. You can now open Litchi app on your smartphone, and if you have internet connection on your smartphone or your iPad, or if you have internet, you can do this outside. But if you don't, do it before leaving your house. So open your Litchi app just for to be sure to synchronize your missions. And now I'm going to this place and show you how it works. Okay, here we are at the location. Charge your mission like this. After that, check your contrast, your sharpness, your saturation, and your capture mode.
Personally, I make my hyperlapse with photos, but you can do it with videos. I need to try also with videos because maybe it's gonna be more smooth. This time I choose interval photos, so I choose to take photos every 2 seconds. Then check your white balance, your image format, put your exposure in manual mode if it's not the case, because sometimes it don't save your settings, so that's why I tell you to check everything before starting the mission. Then you can fly to the first waypoint, the most closer you can. Press this little icon and go. The drone automatically going to the exact position by itself and start the mission. And then this is the results. As you see, you can do it in different time of the day or different time of the year, and the drone will always follow the same road. That's why you can do this. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial and see you soon for next one.